common question I get is, does Systemology apply to me? I'm just a solopreneur, or I'm a consultant or a coach, and it's just me. How are systems and processes going to help me? And what adjustments and changes need to be made to the Systemology methodology? When I wrote the Systemology book, it was written for business owners who have small teams around them who can help with the implementation. That doesn't mean, though, that if you don't have that team, that Systemology won't help you. It just means you need to make a few micro adjustments. I want to kind of give you a path that you can follow so you can start to step out of some of those day-to-day operations, those recurring tasks, and start to get some systems and processes in place. And it really, it will help you to leverage these three big intersecting opportunities that I'm seeing at the moment when we think in terms of process, virtual assistants, and leveraging off AI technology like ChatGPT. So where would I get started if I was a solo consultant and I'm thinking about building up a systems-driven culture following Systemology? Step number one is you want to start to record yourself doing everything. Think about the tasks that you're doing during the day. Get very comfortable with recording on Loom or Zoom, literally just hitting the record button while you're doing an activity. And then start to organize those recordings into a folder on your Google Drive or on your computer. Just thinking in terms of your business, maybe in terms of marketing and sales and operations, like create those folders and start to organize these videos of yourself doing these different tasks and organize them into the folders. Now, do that over the course of the next 6 months. And some videos and some tasks you might record yourself doing multiple times. That's okay. You might end up having a folder that has 3 different videos on the way that you outreach to your potential prospects on LinkedIn. Save those videos into a folder and you're effectively building up version number 1 of how you do things. So that's step number 1. Just get really comfortable with that process. Then step number 2 is finding a virtual assistant that you can bring on board. Now, you might use something like Upwork or Freelancer, or there are plenty of different recruitment sites